Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 6th of September 2024, our system has identified SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.73. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.11%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.56% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and we can expect further movements within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.04% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.92% to positive 5.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.72% over the next year, with potential returns between 27.99% and 41.32%. This implies a price range of approximately $699.33 to $772.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for SPY. The SPY ETF price gained 1.11% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, rising from $540.41 to $546.41. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.93%, with a low of $542.68 and a high of $547.71. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 2.79% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 27 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $21.59 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 3.32%, or $18.74, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. September has historically posed challenges for stocks, and this year follows suit. The S&P 500 has recorded its worst start to September in 70 years, declining between 4 and 5%. Investors are acutely aware of the phenomenon known as the September effect. Recent disappointing data regarding U.S. job growth has intensified the prevailing bearish sentiment. Attention is now focused on the upcoming release of the Consumer Price Index, which could significantly influence market directions. Additionally, political developments are contributing to the uncertainty. U.S. Democratic presidential candidate Kamala Harris has proposed an increase in corporate taxes. Should this proposal be enacted, it could negatively affect profit margins for companies within the index, potentially leading to lower stock valuations in the short term. In contrast, high-yield dividend stocks have shown resilience thus far. Historically, these stocks tend to perform better during downturns, providing investors with a degree of protection. This resilience is an aspect that exchange-traded funds, such as SPY, may benefit from over the long term, as dividends play a crucial role in total returns during periods of volatility. The interplay of economic challenges, potential tax reforms, and the seasonal tendency for stocks to underperform in September contributes to a cautious short-term outlook for SPY. Nevertheless, long-term investors should concentrate on dividend-paying stocks and strategic allocations that can endure economic fluctuations. This approach may enhance both resilience and yields over time, despite the prevailing volatility. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Additionally, several negative signals have emerged, which may impact its near-term development. The SPY ETF currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of 551 and 65 hundredths and 546 and 67 hundredths. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 3.06%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, signaling a sell 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands, giving a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average, showing a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, indicating a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was noted 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presenting a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaling a buy 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showing a buy signal 197 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $543.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Typically, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $5.03 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.93%. Throughout the last week, the daily average volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 1.47%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at 550.81. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 543.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY ETF a wise investment choice? Currently, the SPY ETF exhibits several negative indicators and is caught in a downward trend, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this ETF is negative. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. As we look ahead to trading on the 10th of September, we anticipate that SPY will open lower, with a decline of 81 cents, starting at $545.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.